What's up, guys? It's Carol over here, and welcome back to another Train Sports 6 video. Today, we're back in the Harlem line again. And this time, we are doing another nighttime. Oh my God, doing another nighttime services again. Yes, we are starting to do nighttime services. Actually, let me get the key in real quick. Therefore, everything could be on. All right. I forgot to charge the brakes. I need to charge the brakes up. Oh no, I gotta put this in the max. But yes, I'm gonna try to do more nighttime services because I think I don't know. I think in one of them I think this is our third or fourth time ever doing a nighttime timetable. Our first time, I think. So this is our first time, I guess. My brake charged. Oh, come on now. There we go. I don't want to go too fast. Should I turn on safety systems? Yeah, let's turn on safety systems. Actually, once we move from the station, then I'll turn on the safety systems. Oh, I forgot about the headlights. There we go. Much better. Okay. So about the blur chaser problem, I'm not sure yet, but I think it's fixed. For Train Sports 6, I think it is. But I don't know. People are saying that they're still seeing the blur textures on the trains. And somehow I don't freaking believe that. I don't believe it, but I'm just saying because I just know the blur textures still have, because I just know that I'm still gonna be seeing the blur textures again. I just know it. All right, come on. All right. Darn it. I'll shut up a little bit, so. Alright, let's turn on the safety systems. ATC and the alert are on. Yep. At first, I thought 4, because I thought that, like, throttle 4, or, like, power 4, or, I don't know, something like that. I thought that was the max, like, throttle, but it's not. The max throttle is, 10. Oh, well, it's near the 10s. Ooh. Will it go off? Because I'm in the yellow. I don't know, I don't trust it. Alright. Oh God. Come on, change. So if I go over the red bar, or like that red pointer, or like the white bar, if I go past either one of them, then that's when the whole train is gonna put me into a halt. So gotta be careful. I gotta be careful about that. Also, I gotta pay attention to the distance meter. I gotta pay attention to that too, cause I know, cause sometimes the freaking speed limit could just change without even me knowing. Or like if I'm not even paying attention. So yeah. Why are we stopping here? Is this a station? Oh, it is. Oh boy. Alright, come on, come on. Oh, well, do they make diesel subway trains? I'm not sure if they do. I think, yeah, I'm not sure. Like diesel subway trains, I doubt it. I'm not sure if there are there diesel are they diesel subway trains? I don't know. I gotta look it up. I'm not sure if there is. Wait a minute, how many cars I'm pulling? Oh, not that much. I was expecting more than that. Alright. I don't know why, but for some reason the Harlem route almost reminds me of the Long Island Railroad route, the older one, like the older, like so, like I'm talking about like the old school version. That's kind of what it reminds me of, especially with the M7A. Reminds me so much of the Long Island Railroad. Okay. I kind of wish this ride had railroad crossings, though. I kind of wish it did. Cause I'm. Oh, what the heck? That was weird. Why did both alarms just came out at the same time? Or like just turn on at me at the same time, or go off at me at the same time? Man, the brakes are so strong on this train. Nice. Okay. Oh, we came here earlier? Okay, well, we came here early than expected. That's just great. That's while we wait, I kind of want to explore real quick. While we wait. Let's get out real quick. Hello, passengers. Just excuse me. I like the inside of these. Pretty cool. Oh god. Jeez. Why did that scare me? Harlem. That's all it is. It's just Harlem. 43,000. What does that mean? Are we? Oh no. Okay. I was supposed to. I thought it was moving. All right. Let's go back. I feel like we're in a box for some reason. I don't know why. I feel like it. All right. Okay. Let's go. Got 14 miles? The heck? We're switching any tracks. But we're missing. Are we missing stations? Oh well, we are. That's some more speed going. Our next speed was 60 anyway, so should be able to do this. Okay, so we're missing a few stations then. I'm guessing. Actually, look at the schedule. Oh no, we only got 2 stations. Yeah, we do. That's surprising. Okay, our next speed limit is 45 miles per hour, but then after that, it's going to be switched to 60, so I'm just gonna slow down too much. Oh! Oh, that's what. I mean, that's what the speed limit changed. Because of a switch. A little switcheroo. Wow. Oh, jeez. Why I got the marker lights on? Oh god. Why I got the marker lights on? Guess what I do? Ah, yeah, I can. I don't know, I just realized that. There we go. This bridge could be perfect for the Romans. Wait, I said that before. Never mind. I said that before. I forgot to turn on that dynamic weather. Dynamic weather. So if it starts to get foggy enough, then that's why. You know, like, I mean, well, you guys know what I'm talking about. Like I don't know, like it starts to fog up, then it gets cloudy. Yeah. Ooh, we're going past that yard again. Oh no, we're not. But got some paint. But we got some tankers, some hoppers. I mean, we see those all. I mean, we see this all the time. Every time we drive on the highway. I don't even know what to call this video. I might just call it like Harlem line, nighttime service or nighttime taxi. I don't know. Well, that's probably what I'm gonna call it. Oh, what? I was looking at the distance. I was looking at the distance meter. I didn't see the thing changing. What? Am I going crazy? Because the thing didn't change. I mean, because I didn't see the speed limiter thing on there. What? Oh, okay, so it's just gonna change without me knowing. Okay, well, that's just great. I think I did hit the speed limit that time. I don't know. I think I did. I don't know. Cause ain't no way it could just change automatically. And also, I gotta remember. So tomorrow we might be Tomorrow we're gonna be doing the. So tomorrow we might be doing a St. Patrick's Rage nighttime service. Tomorrow is what I'm thinking. Then if I don't do that, then I could probably try opening a post or something like that tomorrow. Oh no, so I think maybe not tomorrow, but probably like the next day, or like probably I don't know, because I think the other day or like. I don't know. So I think the day before tomorrow is when I'm gonna. Oh my god, how do you say it? Wait, the day before tomorrow. That's today, man. I mean, like. So I think either tomorrow or the next day. Tomorrow or the next day. I don't know. I don't know how you want to say it. Okay, so it's probably either tomorrow or the day after tomorrow is when I'm gonna be probably uploading a post that like the Oliver Chilling 11th or 10th anniversary pack will be delayed till the December. Till December 20th. But don't worry. But like I said this yesterday, it will be in early access November 29th. But you'll only get Oliver Simon in the theater. But only the new versions. I know. I'm gonna stop saying it. Oh Jesus! Cause there's so much stuff I gotta worry about. Like, there's so much stuff I gotta like do. Like, I'm still working on the San Ontario line, and some other stuff that I probably won't be saying, which I will say in the future. But yes, because I don't know, there's so much other stuff I gotta worry about. I'm having a lot of issues with Jesus. I'm having a lot of issues with Train to War 5 right now. Like, I'm having like so much issues with Train to War 5. Like a lot of issues. So this could impact me of opening the early access on Train to War 5 for the over the chillings. I don't know. Yeah. I don't know. Are we gonna stop at this yard again? Are we gonna stop at this yard again? No, we're not even there yet. I don't think we are. Oh my god! Oh no! Break! Oh Jesus! Okay, that was close. That was really close. Jeez. The thing is switching too fast. Oh no! Break! Please! Jesus, man! It keeps switching without letting me know. Okay, if it keeps doing that, then I will turn off the safety systems. Jesus, because I don't know. It's just like the speed limit keeps switching without showing up on the distance meter. And it's switching automatically, and then like it's putting my and like, see what I mean? Oh, slow down! Oh crap! I'm clicking the wrong button. Ah. Shush. Jesus. Oh my god. But you guys want to see what I mean? It keeps switching automatically. Which is why I'm going to turn the safety systems off. Actually, right now. After I freaking put this train in coast. I think I'll keep the alerter on, though. Let me see. I might just keep the alerter on. Oh, crap! That's not what I wanted to do. And then I'll just keep the alerter on. So let me test this out. That's what I mean? Like, oh my god. It's switching automatically. Like, I don't know why. See, and it switches like, oh my god. Is it the blue thing? Like that blue line in the distant meter? I have no idea. Can I do anything here? No, I don't think so. The heck? Okay. We can get some speed finally. Oh my god! Why do we keep doing it? Or unless it's a temporary speed restrictions, but that I don't know. But that's not but that's not gonna be on the routes like temporary speed restrictions. I think it is. I don't know. Unless that's a temporary speed restriction. I don't know. It might be. I knew it. See, I knew we were gonna stop here. You know, I kind of. Should we just end it there? Cause I don't want to wait for a long time again. I really don't. I don't know. It's a case, which we're good. Oh, that's why. Cause I got a train in front of me. That's why. I'm not sure. Okay, let's slow down. This train hates me. I swear it does. Oh, what the? What is it? What is this thing doing? It keeps switching automatically. It was not doing this last time. I swear it wasn't. It was not doing this last time in the Harlem video. I swear it wasn't. You know what? But I think that's gonna do it for today's video. If you guys did enjoy the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And also like the video. Turn on post notifications on. Subscribe to the channel Life Adventures and this channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.